then he's gonna get lost inside. He doesn't know where to go because I have to sign clearance papers pa.
But he's there every day. He doesn't know where to go.
Inside the building.
Yeah, you should teach him.
He's not just enrolled. The clearance kasi I have to be the one to go there. There are, I need to get 5 signatures for clearance.